National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Catahoula Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southern Franklin Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sherwood, or near Harrisonburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jigger and Wisner around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gilbert around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winsboro around 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Franklin, Louisiana.